Hey, tech enthusiasts, ready to dive into the world of ethical hacking? This is your beginner's guide to unlocking the power of ethical hacking. First off, let's get the basics down. Ethical hacking is all about testing and securing systems, networks, and applications by pinpointing vulnerabilities before the bad guys do. But remember, always get permission before conducting any tests and know the laws in your country. Now, let's talk about key concepts. You've got different types of hackers. White hat hackers are the good guys, black hat hackers are the malicious ones, and grey hat hackers fall somewhere in between. To start, study the OWASP Top 10 Vulnerabilities. It's a great way to understand common security risks in web applications. Next up, develop those technical skills. Get a good grasp of networking basics like TCP/IP, subnets, and protocols. And get comfy with both Linux, especially Kali Linux, and Windows. Oh, and don't forget to learn a programming language like Python. It's super useful for automation. Let's move on to tools. Start with essential penetration testing tools like Nmap for scanning, Metasploit for exploitation, Wireshark for network analysis, and Burp Suite for web testing. You'll also want to check out vulnerability scanners like Nessus or OpenVAS to spot weak points in systems. Practice makes perfect, right? So participate in Capture the Flag CTF challenges. They offer real-world scenarios for learning and practicing ethical hacking. You can also use online labs like Hack the Box, Try Hack Me, or VulnHub for hands-on practice in a safe environment. Don't forget to learn about security frameworks. Familiarize yourself with the Penetration Testing Execution Standard, PTES, and the NIST cybersecurity framework. Thinking about certification? Consider starting with CompTIA Security Plus for a solid foundation. Then, you can go for Certified Ethical Hacker, CEH, which focuses specifically on ethical hacking skills, and if you're up for it, the Offensive Security Certified Professional, OSCP, for more advanced hands-on certification. Staying updated is crucial. Follow blogs, podcasts, and news related to cybersecurity to keep up with emerging threats and technologies. And hey, join the community. Engage with online forums, attend conferences, and network with other ethical hackers. Learn from their experiences and share yours too. Lastly, always maintain a strong ethical mindset. Your goal is to protect systems and data, not to exploit them. Follow these steps, and you'll be well on your way to becoming a skilled ethical hacker and contributing to a safer digital world. Thanks for watching and happy hacking.